In this short tutorial, I wanted to spend a couple minutes talking about a new feature in Excel where you can insert these checkboxes directly from the Insert tab right here. So one of your features is that if you go to Insert tab, you can click Checkbox and a checkbox will appear. And one of the cool things about this checkbox is that, as you can see, if it's unchecked, it is false, but if it's checked, then it is true. And as you can see, it equals that right there. As you can see, it shows up as true. Uncheck it, it then shows up as false, which is great because that's very clear. And you can also base your formulas on a checkbox or outputs from a checkbox. So check this option, do this. Check something else, do whatever you want it to do, right? Which can make your models a little more clean, a little bit easier. This is great in comparison to some of the older version where, where up until very recently, you had to go to you first go to the developer tab, then go to developer, and then click insert, and then click checkbox, which is right here, and then draw the checkbox that you wanted, and then you could copy paste the checkboxes you wanted. But as you can see, by using the developer tab, you formatting it to fit within the cells, not as clean at all. And then also having it linked to another cell by going to assign macro format control, having unchecked checks, and then linked to another cell. Just really wasn't as clean. But as you can see, the developer version still returns false and true, but it's just not as clean or static as the insert version. But they're still both available. That's it. I hope you found this quick thoughts were helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.